Greetings everyone, welcome to our channel where we dive into the enchanting realm of animals. Today, we'll be delving into a comparison of two colossal land animals, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. Both species are magnificent beings and we'll be examining their distinguishing characteristics, habitats, eating habits, behavior, and other interesting facts. Let's get started. Let's begin by discussing their physical attributes. African elephants are recognized as the largest land mammals and are a tad bigger than their Asian counterparts. They can grow up to a towering height of 13 feet and can weigh as much as 14,000 pounds. Their prominent ears help them cool down and control their body temperature. Furthermore, their tusks are larger and curve outwards, and their trunks feature two finger-like projections at the end. In contrast, Asian elephants are marginally smaller, growing up to a maximum height of 10 feet and weighing up to 11,000 pounds. Their ears are relatively smaller, and they possess a distinctive hump on their backs. They have shorter tusks, which are straight and serve various functions, including digging, carrying, and self-protection. Moving on to their geographical distribution, both African and Asian elephants occupy distinct regions. African elephants are typically found in savannas, grasslands, and forests, predominantly located in sub-Saharan Africa. Meanwhile, Asian elephants are typically found in tropical and subtropical forests, grasslands, and scrublands, primarily inhabiting Southeast Asia. Regarding their dietary habits, both species are herbivorous and share similar diets. African elephants primarily consume grass, leaves, and bark, while their Asian counterparts prefer to eat leaves, bark, and fruits. African elephants are generally perceived as more aggressive in comparison to their Asian counterparts. They tend to charge when they sense danger and exhibit unpredictable behavior. They also tend to live in larger herds of up to 100 individuals. African elephants have a sophisticated social structure that revolves around a matriarchal hierarchy. The oldest and largest female elephant leads the herd and makes most of the decisions. These intelligent animals have been observed displaying empathy and mourning the loss of their herd members. They possess exceptional memories and can recognize individuals they haven't seen for decades. In contrast, Asian elephants have a more laid-back social structure. They lack a strict hierarchy, and males tend to live more solitary lives, only joining a herd during the breeding season. Female elephants are fiercely protective of their young and form strong bonds with them. Both African and Asian elephants face a variety of threats to their survival, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. The African elephant population stands at approximately 415,000 individuals and is classified as vulnerable, while the Asian elephant population is estimated to be around 40,000 individuals and is classified as endangered. Habitat loss and poaching are the primary threats to the survival of both species. African elephants are poached for their ivory tusks, which are highly sought after in many cultures, while Asian elephants are also hunted for their tusks and other body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. To protect these majestic creatures, many initiatives have been implemented, including setting up protected areas, implementing anti-poaching measures, and raising awareness about the importance of conservation. Many organizations and governments are also working towards reducing human-wildlife conflict, which is a leading cause of elephant fatalities in many areas. African elephants are majestic creatures, known for their immense size and impressive features. Their large ears, which can measure up to 6 feet long, help them regulate their body temperature and communicate through infrasonic sound. Elephants are also intelligent animals, capable of using tools such as sticks or branches to scratch their bodies or swat flies away. With a lifespan of around 60 to 70 years, they are some of the longest living mammals in the wild. African elephants are the largest land animals in the world, with males reaching up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder and females up to 10 feet tall. They are recognizable for their ivory tusks, which can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh up to 100 pounds. Asian elephants, on the other hand, have smaller tusks, with males growing up to 6 feet long and females up to 3 feet long. They have incredibly versatile trunks, which they use for a wide range of tasks from picking up small objects to spraying water to keep cool. Both African and Asian elephants are herbivores, consuming up to 300 pounds of vegetation in a single day. African elephants are known for their impressive memory and can remember the location of important resources, such as water sources, for many years. Asian elephants have been utilized as working animals in various cultures for centuries, including for transportation, logging, and ceremonial purposes. Elephants are highly social and live in complex family groups led by a matriarch. They communicate with a range of vocalizations, including trumpets, rumbles, and grunts. Both African and Asian elephants are keystone species in their ecosystems, playing vital roles in maintaining the health and balance of their habitats. However, they face threats from habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict, and conservation efforts are crucial to their survival. Elephants possess remarkable cognitive abilities and have the largest brains of any land animal, weighing approximately 11 pounds. Their social and cognitive abilities are highly developed, with the capacity to solve complex problems and even recognize themselves in mirrors. African elephants have a unique social structure where females live in close-knit family groups led by a matriarch. These groups communicate with each other using various vocalizations and physical cues, and can consist of up to 100 individuals. Asian elephants, on the other hand, are more solitary, although they still possess a complex social structure. Males may form small bachelor groups, and females may create temporary alliances when raising their young. Elephants are highly sentient and capable of experiencing a range of emotions, including mourning the loss of group members, displaying affection towards each other, and even exhibiting signs of PTSD after undergoing traumatic experiences. These animals have an incredible ability to recognize and remember a vast range of individuals, even after long periods of separation, and can also recognize humans who have interacted with them in the past, even years later. The survival of both African and Asian elephants is threatened by habitat loss and poaching for their valuable ivory tusks. African elephant populations have declined by about 30% in recent decades, while Asian elephant populations have dropped by roughly 50% in the past century. Elephants are an essential component of their ecosystems, playing a vital role in balancing plant and animal communities, and even shaping the physical landscape. These adaptable animals can survive in various environments, from the dry savannas of Africa to the dense rainforests of Asia. We hope these fascinating facts about African and Asian elephants were enlightening and informative. Thank you for your interest in nature, and remember to subscribe for more exciting content.